Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be adding some color to my wash and go using ORS Curls Unleashed Color Blast in the color DragonFruit and the color PeachTree. Stay tuned. So I decided to do a peekaboo effect, and I am going to be adding DragonFruit to the bottom of my hair, and then I'm going to be using PeachTree for the rest of my hair. So right now I'm just sectioning off my hair so that I can apply the DragonFruit to the bottom of my hair. So I'm starting off with DragonFruit, and it is a very vibrant pinkish purplish color. Very pretty. You'll see what I mean in just a moment. And I decided to apply the color today with no gloves, which is okay because it does get on your hands, but it washes off very easily with soap and water. So I might be going a little too overboard with the color, but it's so pretty, I just couldn't stop adding to it. Do you see how beautiful that color is and how well it took over my black hair? So bomb. So now that DragonFruit is done, we are on to the top portion of my hair, which we are going to use PeachTree. Now I haven't really used PeachTree that much, but this color is definitely bomb. So I'm applying PeachTree just like I did with DragonFruit, just using the raking method, and it just amazes me how quickly and easily these colors transform your hair. So bomb. So I'm just going to continue adding PeachTree to the rest of my hair, so enjoy. Yes, I am feeling this color combination already. So let me tell you a little bit about these products. So the Curls Unleashed Color Blast provides a temporary color solution formulated with moisturizing beeswax to elongate and define curls with beautiful vivid colors and no damage. It is quick and easy application process. The moisturizing beeswax elongates and defines your curls. You can mix and match colors for a unique look like I'm doing today. And when color play is done, the wax washes out clean in just one wash. These products can be found at the ORS website, which I will leave in the description box, and they can also be found at select Target and Walmart stores. So my hair is now complete. I'm going to give you a 360 of the wet curls. I think this color is going to be bomb. So I think I'm going to let it air dry for a couple of hours, and then I'm going to put my bonnet on and let it dry overnight. So it is now the next day, and I'm coming to you with my bonnet, but wait a minute. Don't judge me. Please don't judge me, because I definitely got bonnet hair. But let's fix that. So to get rid of that bonnet hair, I'm just going to shake and fluff and separate with my fingers until I get the desired shape that I am looking for. Now that I've fluffed and separated my curls with my hands, I'm just going in with my pick just to add a little more volume. Now I know you guys see the color transfer on my hand from manipulating my curls so much, and this is normal. It is a temporary color, so it will transfer, but again, it washes off very easily. So now my hair is set, edges are laid, my naturally unique earrings are on, curls are popping, color is popping. Yes, definitely feeling this look. Would you rock this color? Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next video.